Here with Jay, who hasn't been down the flying club for a while. Good to see you, Jay.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
Been a little while. And he's filming me fly the FMS BAE Hawk for the first time in classic red arrow scheme. This has actually been out a while. It's not a recent thing from FMS, and it has a really good reputation, but it's the first time I've got my hands on it. As all FMS models, it's very well packed and protected, so when it gets to your door, it's no chance it's going to have any damage to it. You lay all the components on the table and you realise there are very few, and it's going to take minutes to put together in it, and it does. Literally screws together, no glue. What have I put in this? I put an FR Sky X8R receiver, a 6S 4000 pack, and the reflex gyro system is in this, obviously. So you get the benefit of that stabilised mode, which is good for beginners. Auto levels, doesn't let you roll to inverted, and also the optimised mode, which reduces the effect of the wind, which is good on a day like today, because it's blowing about 15 miles an hour wind today. And not a lot else to it. It's got retracts, it's got flaps, it's got light as well on the wingtips as well. Controlling it with my Radio Master TX16S. Great radio this, I say it on every video, but you know, you pay about $200 for this compared to other premium manufacturer radios where you're going to pay about $1,000. Why do that? Why do that? Just, you know, this is the smart way to go, and the open source operating system is on this is just getting better and better, and you can do exactly the same as you can do on those other premium radios, so highly recommended. Or the Pocket, which I've been using recently, less buttons and switches on it, but does exactly the same because it's also running Edge TX. Anyway, enough chat, let's get this in the air and let's see how it flies.
Yeah.
Oh crap!
Oh no!
And that was on a 6,000 pack. Did I run for too long?
I think you must have done, but it's not fared well.
I was enjoying myself too much. So there's a lesson there. On your first flight, don't fly for too long. So it'll be interesting on video to see how long I was flying for. But overcooked that, and I've definitely ripped the nose off. I'll go and get it. Oh,
what have you done, Dom? What have you done?
I've disassembled it. The interesting thing is, look at that. It's a really clean brake.
It's probably in more bits now than when you got it.
Yeah. It's literally just the front and the back of the fuselage and that on the side. So it's going to be and a little bit of paint on that leading edge. Look, I've not even broken the spike off the front. So absolutely got away with that, I think. A bit of yoo-hoo pour and that will be absolutely fine. So lesson learnt there is don't fly for too long, even because this is a 4,000 pack actually. It would take a 5 or a 6,000 pack, I think.
And of course you set your timer up, didn't you, Dom?
Huh?
You set your timer up.
No, I didn't. Ah, well, these things happen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to Jay on camera. We'll be back soon on Essential RC, and I'll put this back together again to prove what a robust model it is. All right, bye everyone. See you soon.